He blocked me. What a loser. Literally, what a loser. I'm calling her right now.
Hello?
Wait, he blocked me on Instagram. Like, how old are you?
He's 27. Only 27-year-olds even know how to block. I don't even know how to block someone.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, no, please don't do the it's on. What does that mean?
It just means when I see him, I'm going to, like, spit on him. Whatever, I'll save it all for him. I won't stress you out.
No, please tell me, because I just have to know how long I have to keep you guys separated.
We can coexist. I'll be nice.
No, I don't know if you guys can coexist. It's so crazy.
Yeah, I don't think we can, actually.